Aspen, Colorado is home to the stunning and gorgeous Maroon Bells, which earned their name from the majestic appearance cast by two peaks off Rocky Mountains. Beneath that grand sight, you'll be able to enjoy the crystal clear Maroon Lake, which is surrounded by lush fields full of colorful, vibrant wildflowers. The Maroon Bells are easily in the top few most photographed attractions in the United States, and it's easy to see why. Everywhere you turn, you'll feel like you're in a postcard. It's no wonder that this is one of the most beautiful places in the US.